Welcome to Bitcoin Futures December the 10th, 2017. The symbol in Tradestation is XBT F18. That's January 2018. Bitcoin Futures. Always looking for new opportunities for our portfolios and trading. I say no thanks to this right now until there is liquidity in this market. Big expectation, a lot of excitement, and liquidity may move in fast, but this just started trading at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern time today. That was about 35 minutes ago, and the market makers have not come in, and you see right now $70 spread here, and at 5 the contract size is 5 bitcoins. That's $350 of slippage, and there's only 1 and 2 contracts being traded. You don't see any order book thickness in this at all, so stay away. Again, that's every point is $10. You see that the difference between these two ticks is $10, and you're trading 5 Bitcoin. So you have a natural $50 slippage factor on this, which is okay if you have a market that moves as much as Bitcoin. You can't eliminate a market just because it has big slippage or big point value. Typically, big point values can have big potential dollar range moves, and so we like that. We just don't want to pay that much slippage. 30 to 80 is $50. That's 500. That's 50. That's $250 of slippage there. And there's just one contract traded, so it's almost. If you place a market order and the market moves, you could pay $1,000 to $2,000 slippage easily right now. And so, especially if you trade more than one contract. So, don't trade this market yet. We'll be watching it, and I'll let you know when the time is right. What you can do is you can trade the cash. To trade the cash, I use Coinigy.com. This is the charting platform that I use. It's an online platform, and all the symbols over here on the left are brokers, such as KRKN is Kraken. If you click on Kraken, you can see all the pairs that are offered. My account's at Poloniex, and you see all the pairs that are offered on Poloniex. You can filter those out, so you can only trade, say, US dollar pairs, USDT, and those are the 12 US dollar pairs: Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Dash, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum Litecoin, NXT, and others: Augur, Stellar, Monero, Ripple, and Zcash are all the ones that I've been watching. They're in the top 20 market cap, most of those. And so, one of the trades that I'm looking at is to buy cryptocurrencies that are highly capitalized in the top 20 market cap that are still low priced, and you get the opportunity to if one of those goes to 10, 50, 100, great opportunity. The concept that Bitcoin can go to a million from 15,000 is great. If you buy a Bitcoin at 15,000, it goes to a million. It's an incredible move. It's hard to imagine, but it could do that. It's some of these other markets. I'll show you the Poloniex exchange. So Poloniex here, you see like Stellar is 11 cents, and NXT is 55 cents, and Ripple is 23 cents. And some of these are highly capitalized markets that have a lot of potential, and so there's more supply out there, though. They're not as limited as Bitcoin with 21 million, so they may never go anywhere, and it's usually best to buy the strongest market in that sector, and that is Bitcoin for sure. And but if you want to be a little bit contrarian, put in a low risk trade, buy a significant quantity of one of these penny cryptocurrencies, and just keep it as a long-term investment. That's one potential opportunity. $100 worth of Stellar, or $1,000 worth of Stellar, or $10,000 worth of Stellar, and Stellar becomes the next Bitcoin or NXT or Ripple. You don't know. You don't know what Bitcoin's going to do, but these are this is the exchange that I like. I really like Poloniex, and I really like using Coinigy in that, and when there's some liquidity in these futures, I would like to be able to trade that as well. So that's the update on Bitcoin futures. Again, don't trade until there's more liquidity. I look forward to seeing how that plays out.